Next, take a black circular sheet of paper, take some clay out of yellow and make it in the shape of a bun. Then add the layers of the bun and other things such as lettuce, some meat and everything else. For our next craft, take a circular canvas once again, take some yellow clay and spread it as shown above. Then add some brown clay to the top and add cute little eyes and a mouth. Add some hands and some legs and you have yourself bananas. For our next craft, take 2 mushrooms, cut the base of the mushroom so you are left with a circle. Then add oblong heads all over some paper and add some little tails and some necks. Then take some green clay and make it into strips to make the grass. Take some marker and then add little bubbles all over the place. For our next craft, take a circular canvas and add some green lines on top to symbolize the leaves. Then add some little blobs to symbolize the leaves of these vines. Add light green, dark green and you may also add some yellow. Take the sponge and make yellow blobs at the bottom of the canvas. Add a beak, some eyes and then some legs and there you have yourself some cute little chicks. You may add green at the bottom as well. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of paper, take some wet clay and then squeeze it using any flat surface. Draw in the corners to make it look like petals and then add yellow to make the center of the flower. Add the stems of the flowers as well as the leaves using clay or even your drawing skills and then make it look like a bouquet.